Today is a teacher distance point tool. It's used to add distance points for each side to the pattern border. Right-click to find the tool and add it. Grade this point. Measure the distance of this line. Select the distance point tool. Clicking on the starting point, and then clicking on the line as a distance point. Right-click on the point to change the distance. Write the length of the line you just measured. Take it. Write the difference for each side. Click DQ to edit all sides at the same time. Click OK to finish. Click on the point with the Select tool. The first click is the point where the assistant curve is selected. Click again to select the distance point. Click on it to copy the grading. Box select 2 points. Click on it to paste the grading. Line grading is complete. Thanks for watching.